Let's draw the center lines now. You have to go to annotate, and then you can draw an axis. For instance, from this point to this point. And to add create as confirmation. Another way is to select bisector. You see here, center line bisector. When you want to create an axis between two symmetrical sloped lines. Another way is to draw center lines with center, like these two. And the last one is centered pattern. You have to select first the center, then circles, as you see here. Right click, create. You must finish with create this kind of axis. Escape. I don't continue with pattern center lines, and now I extend some center lines to cover contour. Another axis must be placed between these two ends. Yes, this. Another is I select the thick line and thick line, not thick and thin, because I want to have the mid line between the two symmetrical lines. Yes. Another is this, external with external. These are not subject of placing create. Yes, we don't have create for such center lines. Now this with this I extend, as you see, and I draw a special line between two centers on this vertical, this and this, with create this time. Another center line is this one. Escape, extend, that's all. Now here, this one was created, so I apply another one here, and also no, these are not circles, so I have to draw from point to point if I want to have these center lines, mid to mid, and create. You can draw axes also to such kind of presentations without problems. For instance, center line here, yes, here, here, and so on. Yes, you see, if you change the view, double click on it, and you change to not shaded, okay, this is okay. I don't know if this will function. Let's see. Center, point, no, it doesn't work. I apply Ctrl Z to let this as in the final drawing. Yes.